New bike day.
Clinton.
And royal wedding day. But we don't care about that.
It's
new bike day.
She's practiced.
So, today's the day. New YT Tues. Let's get cracking. New hat. Better make it fit first. Good box. Comes really nicely packaged. I like it. Should do. You got to pay £50 to get the box. But everything is pristine. Let's start taking these tie wraps off. I was going to go straight into unpacking and everything, but me first. Let's open it up. Welcome to the family. A little book, all in German, English as well. How to put the bike together, handy to know. Shows you how it's all boxed up inside. Really well done. Yeah. Carry on opening, shall we? Oh, this is the tool set. Nice. Bought some pedals for them as well, but I'm not sure where they are. We'll find them. Most important bit. Fresh stickers. Everyone loves a sticker. Well, I do. New hot shoe top. Hinge clamps, other bits and pieces, and some anti-slip paste. Oh, I've got some bike shields. They're not bike specific, but I had a couple spare, so we'll put them on later as well. Time to get rid of the box, bring the bike stand in. It's got to get used to that anyway. So there's a few things to add about the box. Number one, you can use it as a stand. If you don't have a workshop stand to put your bike together, it's got a really clever way of using the actual pieces of the box to hold the front wheel up, hold the back wheel up. Quite a clever thing. Another thing, you can use it again. Don't throw it away. Keep it. You can pack your bike in the little book that I showed you with how to put your bike together. There's also a section on how to pack your bike back into the box if you want to send it off back to YT for servicing, or if you damage the frame, you got accident cover with them as well, which is a really good feature, a good reason to go with them. The only thing I would say that has happened, only minor, nothing to do with the bike really, but there was meant to be some pedals in with the bike, but they haven't turned up. They didn't come in the box. I've sent them an email, and hopefully they either weren't in stock and they're waiting for them to come in stock to send them out, or they just forgot and they're gonna send out some without arguing that they was already in the box. So we'll have a little feedback on the customer service of YT, but so far all is good. Bike turned up on a Saturday, got ridden on Sunday. Smiles on the face all day. Good day, and pleased with the bike. Keep shredding. Alright, bike's all put together. You might notice that I'm wearing different clothes, and the bike is a little bit dirty. I've put a little frame protector on. Bit of a rough bodge job there, but she's been ridden, looking good. Done a little bit of tweaking. This is the first downhill bike, and these cassettes, tiny. I've just fitted a SRAM Eagle to my nuke-proof trail bike, and that's as big as the disc rotor, which you can't really see in the video, but yeah, these are just tiny to what I'm used to. Had done a little tweaking, rolled the bars back a bit, made them a bit better, a bit more suited to what I want. Done the tyre pressures, set the sag up on the bike. Need to take a spacer out because as you can see, I'm not getting the full travel, and it's a bit hard. A bit hard on the front, but the rear we're almost set up, but I'm gonna have a little meeting with Plush Suspension, I think, get them to go through a few things. But after it was built yesterday, I got myself down to Revolution Bike Park. Good day out. Yeah, bike performed really well, really impressed. In fact, I might add a couple of clips of me riding on the bike. So yeah, get your eyes on some of that.